It has finally happened. The TikTok ban in India is finally underway. 3rd of April को Madras High Court ने responding to a PIL, they came up with an interim order that TikTok should be banned in India, and they cited a bunch of reasons. Primarily among those were reasons like the content on the video app TikTok is objectionable. There is content which is almost of a pornographic nature, काफ़ी sexualized content आता है. TikTok का जो एज रेटिंग है वो 12 प्लस है, यानी जो व्यूअर्स हैं एंड जो क्रिएटर्स हैं ये यंग बच्चे हो सकते हैं, और जो कंटेंट है वो बच्चों के लिए अप्रोप्रिएट नहीं है. ओके, दैट्स वन. बट द फैक्ट दैट देयर आर predators, sexual predators, pedophiles that go on apps like this and they target kids on video apps like TikTok. So इस तमाम PIL के रिस्पॉन्स में मद्रास हाई कोर्ट हैड ऑर्डर्ड फॉर अ बैन on TikTok in India, and that actually came through yesterday. हाई कोर्ट ने गूगल एंड एप्पल दोनों ही प्ले स्टोर्स को कहा था, ऐप स्टोर्स को कहा था ये बैन निकाल दीजिए, सो फ्रेश इंस्टॉल्स डोंट हैपन. माइंड यू, देयर आर ऑलरेडी क्लोज टू 120 million TikTok users in India. Now the ban doesn't really affect people who already have the app on their smartphones. Like, you can't just randomly delete the app from their phones. That's one part. But second part, and a lot of privacy and technology law experts are saying this, we have a detailed analytical article from Ashita Regedi, a technology law expert, on tech2.com, where she talks about the fact how the ban on TikTok is not just about one platform. It's about taking a broader look at content regulation in India. And this will set a worrying precedent. Why is she saying that? And data security and freedom of expression experts across the country are really seeing कि अगर मद्रास हाई कोर्ट ने या किसी भी कोर्ट ने टिकटॉक जैसे ऐप को बैन कर दिया तो ये फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन, फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच पर अटैक है. एंड देयर वरी इज दिस दैट content regulation might put Indian internet ecosystem, जो एक largely free, fair, open ecosystem है, we might become a totalitarian regime like North Korea या फिर China, जहां पर government and in turn the judiciary has a very very tight control and they monitor and regulate anything and everything that goes on the internet, which is why we know that their internet is policed in a big manner. There is no room for voices of dissent against the government. आप एस्टैब्लिशमेंट के खिलाफ कुछ कह नहीं सकते, कुछ लिख नहीं सकते, कोई वीडियो या ट्वीट नहीं कर सकते, because that is not allowed over there. Now India, despite all the challenges that we have in our democracy and our internet, is still a free, fair, open internet, largely speaking. Net neutrality है यहाँ पर, and तमाम players, फिर चाहे वो कंपनियां हो, जैसे जो ऐप बनाते हैं, बाइट डांस इज अ चाइनीज कंपनी जो टिकटॉक की ऐप ओन करती है, या फिर कोई होम ग्रोन ऐप मेकर हो, anybody can make a product that can thrive in the Indian ecosystem on the internet. But a lot of people are also saying कि TikTok आपत्तिजनक तो है because the content on it is clearly very very worrisome. A lot of people are saying that maybe it's a parenting failure because माँ बाप अपने बच्चों के साथ कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं कर रहे हैं, इंटरनेट के राइट रॉन्ग डूज एंड डोंट्स के बारे में बातें ही नहीं कर रहे हैं. माँ बाप बिजी हैं अपनी लाइफ में, अपनी नौकरियों में, बच्चों को मोबाइल फोन दे दिया है, इंटरनेट दे दिया है, और दिन भर वो पबजी खेलते हैं या टिकटॉक देखते हैं या पॉर्न देखते हैं. ये इस पर कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है उनका. सो पीपल आर सेइंग दैट टीचर्स, एकेडमिक इंस्टीट्यूशंस एंड पेरेंट्स, दे नीड टू हैव बेटर कॉन्वर्सेशंस. एंड इस देश में इंटरनेट एक किस्म से, we are a country of 300-400 million internet users. Everybody has just randomly away started using the internet, right? Nobody's gotten a training as a part of official formal curriculum कि भाई साहब this is how you use the internet. गाड़ी चलानी होती है, आप मोटर ड्राइविंग स्कूल जाते हैं ना, ट्रेनिंग लेते हैं ना, गाड़ी कैसे चलानी है, पार्क कैसे करना है, रूल्स कैसे फॉलो करने हैं. But it seems there are no rules to use the internet. So a lot of creators are also crying foul. Because for them, they are saying कि TikTok उनका पैसा कमाने का जरिया है. They are content creators, they are broadcasters, and TikTok actually pays these content creators to create viral content ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग उनके प्लेटफॉर्म पे आए. इनमें सेलिब्रिटीज भी शामिल हैं, इनमें नॉर्मल रेगुलर ऐसे बच्चे हैं जो टियर 2, टियर 3, टियर 4 टाउन से हैं. दे जस्ट वांट टू क्रिएट मैड वायरल कंटेंट फॉर मेकिंग अ फ्यू एक्स्ट्रा बक्स. आप उनके पेट पे क्यों लात मार रहे हैं? Some society observers are also commenting on the fact कि unemployment इतनी ज़्यादा हो गई है हमारे देश में, right? So time pass करती है public. That's all they do. This is the time pass generation. इसको आप इतना seriously मत लो, because I read a recent report on the First Post newspaper on their cover story how 1 out of every 6 Indians under the age of 25 is unemployed because नौकरियां नहीं हैं. डिग्रियां हैं, इंजीनियरिंग किया हुआ है, मास्टर्स किया हुआ है, लेकिन नौकरियां नहीं हैं. तो ये जो ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स है, टिकटॉक, यूट्यूब, इंस्टाग्राम, इस पर लोग इन्फ्लुएंसर बन जाते हैं और पैसे कमा लेते हैं. दीज आर न्यू एज जॉब्स दैट पीपल आर डूइंग. सो देयर आर a bunch of these stakeholders who are saying banning is not the solution because आप एक totalitarian regime बन जाएंगे and you're setting a bad precedent for the internet ecosystem of India. Parents are concerned and saying कि oh my god कितना वाहियात है ये content. TikTok जैसे आपसे, by the way TikTok की monopoly नहीं है in terrible cringe-worthy content. If you go to YouTube, there is a lot of very poor and very bad, bordering on pornography kind of content on YouTube itself. Now YouTube says that okay, there are a lot of community guidelines over here. अगर आपको content पसंद नहीं है, आप उसे flag off कीजिए, आप report कीजिए, and the system takes it down. The other thing is immunity of these internet companies. India में Section 79 of the Indian IT Act के तहत all the internet companies that host such content are immune. You cannot punish them. You cannot hold them responsible for all the shady content or the creators or the kind of hate speech or trolling that happens in the comments, because they say hey, we are just a platform. हमारे ऊपर तो लोग आके जो करना चाहते हैं वो कर सकते हैं. The responsibility lies on the users, on the creators, on all the people who come over there. Now the government is mulling getting rid of this Section 79 of the Indian IT Act. Now that is a very big deal because these internet tech companies are saying hey, we do business all over the world, हम इंडिया में आए हैं, we've spent billions of dollars in setting up our services in India, and clearly I mean couple of 100 million users here in India, so nobody wants to leave this market. But अगर regulatory environment, policy environment ऐसे हो जाएगा कि अगर Facebook पे या YouTube पे या TikTok पे कोई गंदा घटिया वीडियो आ गया, and these platforms have to either take it down in 24 hours or they have to go to jail. Their compliance officer will have to go to jail or they'll have to pay a heavy penalty. That is an environment जो सब लोग डर रहे हैं कि oh my god, what will happen if Section 79 is scrapped. So a lot of question marks here, but all eyes on the Supreme Court. On the 22nd of April, Supreme Court is going to listen to obviously what TikTok and ByteDance have to say, why their app should not be banned, and they're going to listen to the petitioners who have called for the ban on this particular app, on how it puts young kids and their privacy and their safety at risk because of the predatory environment on the app. I'd love to hear from you. A lot of people, ever since we've started talking about TikTok on our social media handles on Tech2, have come out in major solidarity and said yes, please ban TikTok because the content is atrocious. We cannot believe it कि ऐसा गंदा content चल रहा है इंडियन इंटरनेट पे, पनप रहा है, spread हो रहा है, viral हो रहा है. But there are also a bunch of you who are saying hey, listen, what may be trash for you is another person's art. Who are we to say that this content is hypersexualized? If that person's personal agency allows them to make this content, it's empowering for them. So it's a very complex argument. There are no binary answers कि ये right है, ये wrong है, ये सही है, ये गलत है. But it's important to have a conversation. So I'd love to hear from you what you think about the fact that TikTok app has been banned. Right now, if you want to download it on the Google Play Store, you cannot. TikTok has been removed from the Indian App Store. On the iPhone iOS App Store, it's still available, but it's only a matter of time considering the Madras High Court has ordered Apple and Google both to remove this app from their app stores. So, would love to hear from you. What do you think of this particular issue? And keep the conversation going. And to read really detailed, nuanced arguments about the TikTok ban, head over to tech2.com. Thank you so much for watching.